Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Bitget. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application, and then on the home page you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here by default you will be on this overview section, but you need to tap on Spot, and here you will be able to see the withdraw option. So if you tap on withdraw, you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see all of the cryptos that you can withdraw from Bitget to any other exchanges or wallets. If you want to withdraw in your bank account, then you can tap on the fiat option, and here you can get your money in the form of euro, Brazilian real, ruble and lira. So you just have to select that fiat currency that you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw euro, so I'll simply select euro in this section, and then you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to first select your currency. After selecting your currency, you need to press the next button. On the next page, it will ask you to bind your phone number and provide your identity verification. So the identity verification option is only working in the UK and in the EAA only. So you just have to provide these details, and then you will be able to withdraw your money in your bank account via Bitget. Now if you want to withdraw your crypto to any other exchanges, then you need to tap on the crypto option, and here you will have to select USDT. Then you need to select the option of on-chain withdrawal. Once done, you will be landed on this page where in the withdrawal address, you need to basically copy and paste the address in this section of the USDT from that particular exchange or wallet in which you want to transfer your USDT. You need to make sure that the withdrawal network is similar in both of the wallets or in both of the exchanges. Afterwards, in the withdrawal amount, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This way you will be able to easily withdraw your money from Bitget. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.